Hi, I'm Rabel, and I'm working with Natalia Wadowiak for our cybersecurity lab project. We're doing Lab01, online virtual machine access. And so the first thing that you want to do when you open this lab is look at the topology and understand what each machine is connected to and what its virtual machine, the names and the IP addresses. So we're going to use Ubuntu to ping the Windows 7 computer, the Windows 10, and the Metasploitable computer. So the first step is you go to Ubuntu, open it up, you put in the username and password to get into it. And then this screen will pop up, and then you go to the app called Terminal. Terminal is also called the console. It's basically an application on Ubuntu that you can use to execute commands directly in simple code. And so our code today will be a pinging code. Pinging allows a user to test and verify if a particular IP address exists and if it can accept requests in computer network for data and things like that. When a device sends a ping request, it's essentially asking the recipient device if it's available and how long it takes for the request to reach the recipient and return it to the sender. So you'll understand what that means once I run the code. So this -C essentially means count, and the number next to it, which I'm writing now, it means the number of times you want it to reply. So -C4 means count 4 times, and you want it to ping back to you 4 times. 168.100.102. So when I press enter there, it's gonna ping. It should ping 4 times. And there, 1, 2, 3, 4. This ping came from me writing count 4. And so you'll see with the next one. The next one you write ping -C, the same thing as always, and then 192.168.100.103. And this is a different IP address, sorry. Because the first one we were pinging Windows 7, and the second one we were pinging Windows 10. And this should give you 3 reply messages because we were count 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Next, the last one, same thing, except 2. We're going down 1 each time. 192.168.100.200. Now we're pinging the Metasploitable virtual machine. And basically this IP address is very important. An IP address is a unique address that identifies a device on the internet or local network. It stands for Internet Protocol, and it's a set of rules governing the format of data sent via the internet or local network. So for this one, it should only ping 2 times. And so if you look here, it says 2 packets transmitted to received, 0% packet lost. This basically means that the computer is working fine and that it can receive and deliver information. And that's the point of pinging, to understand how the computer is working and if it's available to send information. Thank you, that's all.